Today we'll play a very interesting game with geometric shapes, and the game's name is Who Am I? So you will get certain hints, and with the help of those hints you will have to identify which geometrical shape we are talking about. So let's start. Let's see what the hints are. I have 6 flat faces and 12 straight edges. I am made up of rectangles. I slide on the ground. Who am I? Now, can you identify from these hints which shape are we talking about? Well, let's start with the first one, 6 flat faces. Now, among these shapes, which one has 6 flat faces? Let's see. I have this cuboid. It has 6 flat faces. I have this cube. Even this has 6 flat faces. Cylinder, it has only 2. Sphere, it has none. Cone, it has just 1. So we are left with 2 of them. That is a cuboid and a cube. Now it also says that 12 straight edges. Well, these are the edges, and we have 12 straight edges in both the cases. You see, even in this case we have 12 straight edges, and even in this case we have 12 straight edges. So a cuboid and a cube both have 12 straight edges. We are still left with 2 choices. Now let's move to the next one. I am made up of rectangles. Now this might solve our problem. So we have cuboid and cube, and it says I am made up of rectangles. Now which one of them is made up of rectangles? Well, what do we see here? Well, we see this particular face and this particular face. Now in this case, this edge and this edge make up a pair, and this pair is longer than this pair. So we know that this is a rectangle. But in the case of a cube, this edge, this edge, this edge and this edge, all the 4 edges are of same size. So here it is a square. So only this is made up of rectangles. Only a cuboid is made up of rectangles. So when we see the next hint, that is a slide on the ground, it's applicable to both. So the only hint that differentiates between a cuboid and a cube is that I am made up of rectangles. So here it is talking about cuboid. So it's cuboid. Now let's move to the next shape. I have only one curved face. I do not have any flat face. I keep on rolling. Who am I? Now we have 3 shapes and all of them can keep on rolling. But it says that I have only one curved face. But the cone also has just one curved face. Sphere also has one curved face. And when we talk about the cylinder, even the cylinder has just one curved face. So this does not solve our problem. Now it says I do not have any flat face at all. Now when we talk about cone, cone has one flat face. Cylinder, it has 2 flat faces. What about sphere? Well, sphere has just one curved face. It has no flat faces. So this is the correct answer. So it is a sphere. Now let's come to the next one. I have one flat face and one curved face. I can both roll and slide. Who am I? Now here we are talking about 2 shapes which have both curved and flat faces. So both cone and cylinder have curved and flat faces. Now I can both roll and slide. Both of them can roll and slide because they have flat and curved surfaces. but it also says that I have one flat face and one curved face. Now, although both of them have one curved face, but when it comes to one flat face, only cone has one flat face because cylinder has two. So, this point helps us identify that it is a cone. So, the correct answer is a cone. Now, let's come to the next shape. I have 6 flat faces. All these faces are of the same size. I slide on the ground. Who am I? Now, both of them slide on the ground. Cuboid and cube both slide on the ground. Now, it also says that I have 6 flat faces. Again, both cuboid and a cube have 6 flat faces. Now, all these faces are of the same size. Now, that's where we can differentiate. When we see a cuboid is made up of rectangles. As a result, all the faces will not be of same size. But in case of cube, it is made up of squares. As a result, all the faces are of same size. So, our answer is cube. So, I am a cube. Now, let's come to the next shape. I have 2 flat faces and 1 curved face. I can both roll and slide. Who am I? So, here again we have a cone and a cylinder. So, which one of them satisfies these hints? What do you think? Well, let's see. So, we can see that both can roll and slide, isn't it? Because both have flat and curved surface. Now, it says one curved surface. Well, both of them have one curved surface. But it also says that I have 2 flat faces. Now, when we talk about cone and cylinder, cone has just one flat face. But in case of cylinder, we have 2 flat faces. So, this is the right answer. I am a cylinder. So, just by knowing the properties of a shape, you can actually identify which shape we are talking about. So, all the different shapes in geometry have different characteristics. So, they have flat surfaces, they have curved surfaces, and number of flat and curved surfaces also vary from shape to shape. So, by knowing the number of edges, number of faces, number of flat and curved surfaces, you can identify different geometrical shapes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.